Texas Heat with Wayne and Greg. Wayne is a master builder, been in building pools for over 30 years. Greg is a contractor, has been working with Wayne for an extended period of time, and we're talking about additional spas and specifically what goes into detecting where all the plumbing lines run underneath the deck and what goes into building an additional spa. So Wayne, tell us a little bit about the plumbing, how you find out where it is, and the efforts that go into building that additional spa when we work with our clients.
Dan, there's a lot of people wanting to put a spa with just a pool only. One of the big items is, number one, you have to get the decking out of the way and actually get into the area and see where the plumbing runs are so we can tie into them. It is very costly. A lot of homeowners don't realize the labor and the cost that goes into adding a spa, not to mention getting into the shell, tying it in, and making the structure proper. So this is just a good example of identifying the plumbing and getting into this type of remodel type item.
And those additional spas, if you want to add it to a pool, what can we look at in terms of cost and time frame when adding that additional spa and all those design elements?
I would still say you're at a good 90 days still, just like building a new pool construction. As far as costing is concerned, we rarely see it under $50,000. It's usually $50,000 and up to add a spa, because you then have to remodel the entire pool, which could be anywhere from $80,000 to $250,000 to do it right.
And that's the question we see too, Wayne, is it's not as simple as just putting a spa in tomorrow and we're up and running. There's a lot of ancillary work that goes into that, especially if we're also adding outdoor kitchens, additional features. But hopefully that clarifies for everyone what goes into the additional spa and how much labor